I think somebody has.
Oh, there's the other one.
Somebody has a problem with
Oh,
containment.
there's 2 of them. 3
There's
of them.
5.
4 of them.
There's 6.
What's this? Male peacocks over on the left. Holy shit, look at all of them. Oh my gosh.
What are you boys doing over there?
Can you take a couple with mine?
What are you doing? Yeah. Hold on. What are you boys doing in there?
Come on. You know what button to push? The white one.
Hold on a second. I'm trying to teach you things at once here. There you go. There we go.
5 of them. Okay. All right. Well, what a... It's not taking a picture.
What are you guys doing?
Wow.
I see you hiding in there. Too funny. All right,
Okay.
here you go. You see him now? Love you later, bye.